Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys stuff that you can do if you've done like all of your resident tasks and you don't know what to do in game. Just you finish every quest. So sometimes it won't show up by level, but basically you'll need to just look around the map and see if any of the NPCs have this orange task icon, and you're going to want to go there and you're going to want to start a task with them. But what if you are done with those tasks? I recommend you just grind for money. Basically, you'll need to just plant some wheat and harvest them, and again just cook a lot of the mushrooms. If you want to earn more money, there is a way to do that by cooking. Here, I'll show you guys. Where's my house? Oh my gosh, my house is kind of far. Actually, it's not that far. I'm just being dramatic. But basically, you're able to essentially what am I trying to say? Okay, you're going to want to essentially make the truffle pasta. You can get truffles here in this area, by the way. Up here in Forest Island. This is where the truffle is. And it's going to be it's going to be harder to get the truffle sub because you do have to wait for them to spawn again. But they do give you more money than the usual items that I usually make, which is the mushroom pie. Um, but I still prefer it. And you can go around and fish as well. And you can add super cute fishes to your collections. So that's what you can do if you are bored and you don't know what to do once you have finished your tasks in Heartopia. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.